आज से हम पेडागोजी के जो सवालात हैं वो आज हम कवर करेंगे। पेडागोजी कहते हैं टीचिंग टेक्निक्स। अकॉर्डिंग टू फेमस फिलोसफर, टीचिंग इज़ एन डैश क्वेश्चन मार्क। इट्स आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, आर्ट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, according to John Davy, which side of educational process is the basis? Its answer is option D, psychological. Next question, the role of teacher in inquiry based learning is of. Its answer is option B, facilitator. Option B is correct. The next question, in computer learning method, the role of teacher is of dash question mark. Its answer is option A, facilitator. Next question, dialectic method of inquiry was contributed by. Its answer is option A, Socrates. Next question, the psychomotor domains involves. Its answer is option D, physical movement. Psychomotor domains involve in physical movement. Next question, the skill which when students try to build abstract knowledge is called. Its answer is option B, characterizing. Next question, an assessment used to determine a person's ability to particular field of studies is called question mark. Its answer is option A, aptitude test. Next question, which act of teacher foster a sense of autonomy in the learning process? Its answer is option C, delegator. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। सो इस वीडियो में इतना ही। मज़ीद वीडियोस देखने और सुनने के लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। शुक्रिया।